Hello and welcome to Maria Slow English Listening. If you are tired of fast conversations, difficult grammar, and boring lessons, you are in the right place. Here we learn English through real-life moments, one story at a time. Today I have a very special story for you. It is called First Day in Our New Home. This story is perfect for A2 learners, people who know a little English and want to feel more confident. You will meet Tom and Emma, a young couple who just moved into their first real house. Together, you will explore 15 different scenes, from the empty living room to the garden, from the kitchen to their first dinner on the floor. Every scene has 25 short dialogues. The words are easy, the speed is slow. You can listen, read, or repeat. This is not just a lesson. This is a small, warm story about happiness, teamwork, and starting a new life. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's step into Tom and Emma's new home. Let's begin.
Wow, Tom, look at our new home.
Yes, it's beautiful. I'm so happy.
The garden is bigger than I thought.
And the walls are white. We can paint them later.
Do you see the big window? That's the living room.
Yes, and the kitchen is on the left side.
I love the red door. It's very friendly.
The key is in my pocket. Let's go inside.
Wait, take a picture of me here.
Okay. Smile. Say, our new home.
Our new home. Did you take it?
Yes, you look great.
What about the moving truck?
The workers come in 1 hour.
Good. We can look around first.
The neighbors are outside. Should we say hello?
Later. First, let's go inside.
Okay. Are you nervous?
A little, but mostly excited.
Me too. This is our first real home.
No more small apartments.
And no loud neighbors upstairs.
The garden needs flowers.
We can buy some next week.
Okay. Open the door. Let's go in.
Wow, this room is so big.
Our sofa can go there, near the window.
And the TV on the opposite wall.
I want a bookshelf there.
A big one or a small one?
A tall one, for all my books.
Where is the dining table?
Near the kitchen door. Look, there's space.
The floor is dusty. We need a vacuum.
I have a mop in the car.
Let's clean before the furniture arrives.
Good idea. I'll get the mop.
I'll open the window for fresh air.
The window is stuck.
Let me try. There, it's open now.
It smells new.
It smells like paint and wood.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's our smell now.
Look at the ceiling. It's very high.
We can put a lamp there.
Or a plant hanging from the ceiling.
You have many ideas today.
I planned everything in my notebook.
Okay, let's clean the floor fast.
Oh no, look at the cabinets. They are empty.
We buy plates and cups today.
And pots. We can't cook without pots.
We have forks and spoons in the red box.
Where is the box?
In the car, I think.
The fridge is very clean.
But it's not cold. We need to turn it on.
How?
There's a button here. Press it.
Presses. Okay, now it's making noise.
Good. In 2 hours, it's cold.
The sink works?
Turn the water on.
Turns. Yes, water comes out. Hot water too.
Perfect. We can wash dishes.
But we don't have dishes. Laughs.
First problem, no food.
Second problem, no coffee.
That's a big problem.
Let's buy coffee and cups now.
The moving truck comes in 30 minutes.
Okay, after the truck.
Look, the stove has 4 burners.
Yes, I can cook pasta and sauce together.
This is our bedroom. What do you think?
I love the light. It's soft.
The bed goes against that wall.
Yes, and my nightstand on the left.
Your nightstand? What about mine?
Your nightstand is on the right.
Okay, that's fair.
We need new curtains.
The old ones are dirty.
Blue curtains for calm sleep.
You choose. I'm fine with any color.
Look at the closet. It's big.
Open it. Is it empty?
Yes, and it smells like wood.
Your clothes go on the left side.
And your shirt's on the right.
We need hangers. Many hangers.
I have 20 in the blue bag.
You really planned everything.
I told you, notebook.
The floor is wooden. It's nice.
But cold in winter. We need a rug.
A soft rug for our feet.
Yes, and no shoes in the bedroom.
New house, new rules. Okay.
Tom, come here. Look at the shower.
It's very small.
Can you fit inside?
I can, but I can't dance.
The water pressure is good?
Let's check. Oh yes, strong water.
Good. I hate weak showers.
The mirror has a crack.
I see. We need a new mirror.
Or we put a sticker on the crack.
A flower sticker?
Yes, a small yellow flower.
The toilet is clean. Thank goodness.
I bought a new toilet seat.
You did? When?
Yesterday. It's in the car.
You are a good planner, too.
The sink cabinet is empty.
Put towels there and soap.
Where is the soap?
Pink bag in the living room.
The window is very small.
That's okay. More privacy.
Do you like this bathroom?
Yes. It's ours. It's perfect.
Here they are, finally.
Be nice to them. Offer water.
Excuse me? Would you like water? Yes, please. It's hot today.
I'll get 2 bottles from the car.
Where does the sofa go? The living room, near the big window.
Careful with the box marked fragile.
What's inside?
Glasses and a vase.
Okay, I put it on top. The bed goes upstairs.
That's heavy. 2 of us carry it. Thank you. Be careful on the stairs.
I help you?
No, it's okay. We are strong. Where's the blue box?
The kitchen one. It's near the door.
I want to unpack the kitchen first.
Good idea. Then we can eat lunch.
We have no food, remember?
After unpacking, we go to the store.
All boxes are inside now.
Sign here?
Yes. Congratulations on your new home. This is box number 7. Where does it go?
It says books in the living room.
But we don't have a bookshelf yet.
Put them on the floor, near the wall.
Okay. What's in your box?
My shoes. 12 pairs.
12? That's a lot.
You have 20 pairs.
That's different.
Where is the scissors?
In the kitchen. Red drawer.
I need to cut this tape.
I'll get them. Goes to kitchen.
This box is very heavy.
Returns. Here. What's inside?
Our old plates. Be careful.
Are they broken?
No, I wrapped them in towels.
Smart. Put them in the kitchen.
I'm tired. My back hurts.
Sit down. Drink water.
No, we need to finish.
The bedroom has 5 boxes.
Let's do bedroom next.
Okay, but first, 5-minute rest.
Lift the mattress on my count. 1, 2, 3.
Lifts. It's heavy.
Put it down slowly. There.
Good. Now the sheets.
Which sheet is this?
The blue one. Our favorite.
That sheet has a hole.
I know, but it's soft.
Okay. Put the corner here.
Help me. Tuck it under.
Like this?
Yes. Now the pillows. 2 or 3 pillows. 3. 1 for me, 2 for you.
You sleep with one pillow?
Yes. Otherwise, my neck hurts.
I need 2. One for head, one for hugging.
You hug pillows?
when you are not there.
That's sweet.
The blanket is in the closet.
The red one? Bring it.
Brings blanket.
Here, put it on the bed. Nice and straight.
It looks like a real bedroom now.
It's small, but it's yours. The desk fits perfectly.
Where do I put my sewing machine?
In the living room corner.
No, I want a separate craft room.
We only have 3 bedrooms.
The baby's room is not a baby's room yet.
We don't have a baby.
One day, but for now, craft room.
Okay, you win.
I always win. Smiles.
Help me connect the computer.
Where is the Wi-Fi box?
On the desk. Plug it in.
There is no internet yet.
I called the company yesterday.
When does it work?
Tomorrow morning.
One day without internet. We can survive.
I have work emails.
Use your phone.
Phone screen is too small.
Relax. It's our first day.
You're right. I'm sorry. Let's finish unpacking.
Let's see the garden.
It needs a lot of work.
I like it. It has potential.
What does potential mean?
It means it can become beautiful.
With flowers?
And vegetables. Tomatoes, lettuce.
You want to grow food?
Yes, fresh tomatoes are delicious.
I don't know how to garden.
I do. My grandmother taught me.
Okay. Where do we start?
First, remove the weeds.
The green plants? Those are weeds?
Yes, they are not flowers. Pull them.
Pulls. Like this?
Good. Now the soil is ready.
We don't have seeds.
By tomorrow. Today we plan.
Look, a birdhouse on the tree.
Maybe birds live there.
I hope so. I like birds.
We can put a small table here.
For coffee in the morning?
Yes, our morning coffee in the garden.
Okay. What's on the list?
Eggs, milk, bread, butter.
That's breakfast.
And for dinner, pasta, tomato sauce, cheese.
And coffee. Don't forget coffee.
Coffee is number 1.
Which aisle?
Aisle 3. I see the coffee.
Take the big bag.
It's expensive.
It's our first day. We celebrate.
Okay, puts in cart.
Do we have salt and pepper?
In the red box at home.
What about oil for cooking?
Oh, not on the list. Add it.
Writes oil. What else?
Dish soap for washing plates.
And garbage bags.
Good thinking.
Look, chocolate is on sale.
Put 2. 1 for you, 1 for me.
Can we buy flowers?
For the living room? Yes. Yellow ones.
This is fun. Shopping for our home.
The water is boiling. Put the pasta in.
Puts pasta. How long?
10 minutes. Stir sometimes.
I am stirring. Like this?
Yes. Now the sauce.
Open the can.
Opens. It smells good.
Put it in the small pot.
Heat it on low.
I set the table. 2 plates, 2 forks.
Don't forget the glasses for water.
We don't have glasses yet.
Use the plastic cups.
Right. In the blue bag.
Is the pasta ready?
I taste one. Eats. Yes, it's soft.
Turn off the stove. Drain the water.
Be careful. It's hot.
Drains. Okay. Put pasta on plates.
Then sauce on top.
And cheese. Grate the cheese.
Grates cheese. Here.
Our first dinner. Cheers.
Cheers. To our new home.
It tastes like happiness.
Sitting on the floor is not comfortable.
But it's romantic. Like a picnic.
A picnic inside the house.
The pasta is good, right?
Very good. You are a good cook.
Thank you. It's an easy recipe.
I want more cheese.
Here, take all.
Look at the boxes everywhere.
We unpack many today.
We still have 10 boxes left.
Tomorrow is another day.
The neighbors have music. Loud music.
It's Saturday night. It's okay.
I hope not every night.
If it's loud, we talk to them.
Politely?
Of course, with cookies.
You solve everything with cookies.
Because cookies work.
You are right.
Finish your pasta. I want dessert.
The chocolate from the store.
Yes, we eat it on the floor.
Best dinner ever. Really.
Emma, I wash. You dry.
With the new dish towel?
Yes, the blue one.
It's very soft.
I bought it last week.
You think of everything.
Not everything. We have no trash can.
We put garbage on the list for tomorrow.
Where is the recycling?
Outside, near the gate.
Take this box out. It's empty.
Takes box. It's raining a little.
Close the door fast.
Returns. Done. What's next?
Wipe the kitchen counter.
With what?
This wet cloth.
Wipes. The counter is clean now.
Look at the time. It's 11 p.m.
I'm so tired.
One more thing.
What?
Lock the front door.
Oh, yes. Locks. Safe now.
Good. Let's go to bed.
Our bed. In our room.
Finally. Bed.
Our bed. In our room.
The sheets smell like home.
That's the lavender soap.
I like it.
Are you happy?
Yes. Very happy.
Me too.
Was today a good day?
The best day.
Even with the heavy boxes?
Even with the heavy boxes.
And no sofa?
The floor was fun for one day.
Tomorrow we buy a sofa.
And a bookshelf.
And a trash can.
And flowers for the garden.
I hear rain on the roof.
I love that sound.
It's like music.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Emma.
I love our new home.
I love you. Sleep well.